Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Listen, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you're new. If you've been rolling with me, make sure you hit all on that also too. If you've been rolling with me for a while, I'm sorry. Hit the like button. Let's get right into it. But before we go into that, you guys know that this is sponsored by Stock Up You. Top link below. Make sure you get in and win. And of course, it's Moo Moo Monday. We'll talk about that later. Listen, what's going on with this war? It is a war, though it seems like it is contained, not contained, but mostly near the Gaza Strip. As you guys know, Israel was attacked by Hamas. It was a coordinated attack, air, water, and so it was a very coordinated attack. There was a lot of loss of life. So we pray over that whole region. We're not going to talk about politics. We're not going to talk about who's right, who's wrong. Right now on this page, we're just going to look at the stock market, and we only are talking about it because it is moving the market. Okay. So yet again, no political comments down. Let's look at where our stocks, how it's going to affect our money, and where we see opportunity. Okay. So gold popped this morning, right? But is that pop going to be sustained? And it looks like no, right? So let's go right into it. It looks like it was a temporary pop, which it has done in the past based on wars and rumors of wars, just like the good book says. Okay. One of the things that's happening that is really, really kind of crazy. Let me kind of bring this up. Let me start with it. It is a really, really big day. It is the 1 year anniversary of the October 2022 bottom, right? The October 2022 bottom. Let's go right to it, right? Let's go right into it. And let's go 1 year. All right. Let's go 5 years so we could really see. All right. So remember, October. Let's go to October. There we go. So this was the bottom, right? Since we've been in this bear market, October of 2022, you could see that the S&P was hovering, as we could see, around the 3,500. And as we can see, it's 4,300. So here we are on the 1 year anniversary, right? And what's crazy about this is we're here at the 1 year anniversary, and here we go with wars and rumors of wars. And look at what's happening to the indices. The Dow is up 200 points. The S&P is up, and the NASDAQ are all up. Now, that's kind of crazy that this is the 1 year anniversary of the bottom, right? And that this is the first trading day after the attack started, which was Saturday. So I just want you guys to keep all of this in perspective because it's going to affect the plays that you are in. Now's the time when you have wars and rumors of wars to pay attention what the overall market is doing and pay attention to the geopolitical situation at large. Okay. So here's another thing that's going on, right? Look at this. Bond futures dip. See here? Bigger drops could be ahead. So this is one of the main reasons why the market is up. So the bond futures are dipping. As you know, when the bond yields are going up, the market goes down. And now we have a reversal coming in. And then we have more data coming up soon. And it may give the Fed a little room to be less aggressive, to be less hawkish, okay? And so that's what we want. We want the Fed to, in spite of what he said, higher for longer. And of course, there's a percentage of investors and analysts that think that he's going up one more time. He could just say, all right, we've done enough. But we have to see what this data is, and we have to get the inflation data that's coming next. What did go up today? Oil. I actually entered into a position in XOM. And as you could see today, XOM is up. Let's look at XOM. Here we are, Exxon. And so I did a call option. And so I was up a little bit, not a lot, all right? I didn't go in crazy and heavy and all of that. Of course, right now, as it runs up, it's starting to sell off, right? But here's what I want you guys to look at, because today is nothing. There's money that could be made in the future. So that's why I'm bringing this up, right? So Exxon, Chevron, BP, and ConocoPhillips. So we could see that they are all up, and Conoco is up the most, right? And then everything else is about the same, right? Else is about the same percentage wise. But as you could see, oil popped up. But now here's what's crazy. Oil popped up, but the indices are still up. It should be the other way around. As the indices went up and as the bond yields show a sell-off, oil should have went back down. So oil is thinking that what? That this conflict, this war could get worse. And so we got this dichotomy. So I'm looking in the oil area or in the oil industry to make gains. So as the market went up, I noticed the oil call option that I had did not go down. And so that's one of the things that I want to point you guys in the direction of as an opportunity to make money with your stop losses set. Let's look at it again. We got Exxon, Chevron, BP, and ConocoPhillips. Now, if this war becomes an all-out war, and let's say the United States is asked to get involved with this, these will take off. They'll start printing, okay? So I just want you to put it on your radar. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just doing the homework, and so we can look at areas to purchase and make money, right? So also too, there is defense stock. Let's go here. Defense stock. Here is a defense ETF that performed well today, right? Wish I'd gotten this into the call options. And so this is ticker symbol ITA. Ticker symbol ITA. This is defense, as you can see, aerospace defense, but it's an ETF. So instead of one company in the defense, aero defense, or defense area, it's a basket. So you don't have to pick. But let's look at what else are some. All right. Lockheed Martin actually ran up a lot this morning, and I was looking at it in the pre-markets, but it had already ran up. So I didn't want to chase that bull. But then I looked at Northrop. As a matter of fact, this was the first company I got a job with when I came out of DeVry Institute of Technology. And so this was the first job I got. It was this company, Northrop. They manufacture stuff for the military. It popped up 11%, right? And you can see the iShares, okay? So this is the ETF that has both of these in it, right? But if you could see clearly that if you went with the individual stock, you would have gained more than the overall ETF here at the bottom, okay? So I want you guys to look at those. Let me know if any of this is helping you. I just wanted to keep it going. So we covered that. We covered that gold pop. We covered that the bond futures are actually dipping, okay? And I just want to give you guys all this information. Listen, good people, I'm sorry for all of the stuttering. I am fighting an acute headache with these allergies. It's an allergy-induced headache. But hey, we got work to do. So please just take the information that I just gave you guys, govern yourselves accordingly. These are mostly stuff that I want you to put on your watch list with stop losses ready and triggered at all time, because there could be a big reversal. So let me summons this. As you could see, defense stock and oil are just two of the areas that you can make money if the war gets worse. Follow? But now, if what we see that the bond yields are showing that they're cooling off, then tomorrow could be a green day and all bets are off. All right. So you play this stock market the way you want to play it, or you can just chill and relax, just like Aaron Hall. Just chill. All right, guys, you know that today is Moo Monday. Go ahead and get your 16 free stock by depositing a minimum of $100 if you use my link below, which is the third link below. Okay, 5 free stock. All right. Make sure that you guys check out. Make sure you guys check out the links below. All right. For those of you that haven't done this, make sure that you select all, because I know a lot of you guys are not getting all of your notifications. You have to select all when you are on the page. So make sure you select all. And for those of you that can't find it, if you're looking at a video, let's say you're looking at the video that I posted this morning. Let's look at it. All right, so let's say you're looking at the video that I posted this morning, minus the commercial. Boom. All you have to do on your phones just tap here and a drop down will fall out. All right. Or you tap more and there are the links. Okay. I know we have a lot of newbies out there that have been asking, and that's how you do it. Right. I'm going to leave it right there. Good people. Sorry for the stuttering. I'm finna go take some more aspirin. I'm not overdosing, and some more Allegra D. All right. Good people. Hey, it is what it is until I move. Love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.